ourselves today. Balloons hanging from each branch, birthday celebrates, the fun doesn't stop. Hey, hey, birthday, let's celebrate with a song and a dream. All animal friends are coming, gifts, cakes, smiles are lining. A rabbit brought a colorful carrot, fox cakes in a basket full. The squirrel dances, carries nuts, while the doe is proud of the balloons. Hey, hey, birthday, let's celebrate with a song and a dream. All animal friends are coming, gifts, cakes, smiles are lining. The bear wears a crown on his head, the whole forest is celebrated today. The birds sing a birthday song, while ladybugs make a flower fountain. And while the moon shines in the sky, the celebration can be heard all the way to the village and the bottom. The bear exclaims, "Thank you all! Next time we celebrate at Sin the Hedgehog." Hey, hey, birthday, let's celebrate with a song and a dream. All animal friends are coming.